You searched how to buy shares of Surgutneftegas OAO-ADR. Surgutneftegas is an oil and gas company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker SGGD.L. This video is educational and not financial advice. Please do your own research. You will need a broker to buy the shares, and we use eToro as a neutral example. After signing up, you must verify your account, which usually requires an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SGGD.L to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct LSE PLC listing for Surgutneftegas. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for SGGD.L. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure this is the correct share before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a market order at the next session. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, I've added the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same example.